In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Surfshark Antivirus on Windows, Mac OS, and Android, all in under 5 minutes. Let's dive in and ensure your devices are secure with the protection Surfshark offers. To start, you'll want to open the Surfshark app. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to their website and download the version that matches your operating system. Once downloaded, go through the usual installation process. Ensure you have an active internet connection throughout, because this will help the app fetch necessary updates essential for its smooth operation. Now, with the app installed, open it up, and you'll be greeted with its user-friendly interface, which is designed to make navigating through features a breeze. Now that you're in the Surfshark app, you should see a feature menu on the side or at the bottom, depending on your device. Here, you want to find and click on the antivirus option. Clicking this will take you to a dedicated antivirus section within the app. This is where all the magic happens in terms of protecting your device against malware and other online threats. Keep an eye out for any introductory walkthroughs Surfshark might provide. These can offer valuable tips tailored specifically for their antivirus feature. Once you've clicked antivirus, the next thing you need to do is install it. This might seem a bit surprising since you're already in the Surfshark app, but like many security solutions, the antivirus component is often a separate installation package. In this section, you should see an option, something like Install Antivirus. Click on this to begin the download, and simply follow any on-screen instructions. During this time, your device may ask you to confirm the installation or grant permissions. Make sure to agree to these, as they are necessary for the antivirus to function correctly and provide comprehensive protection. After you've installed the antivirus, take a moment to explore the different settings and options available. There may be features such as real-time protection, scans on demand, and even scheduled scanning options. It's a good idea to set up a routine scan to ensure regular checks without having to remember doing it manually each time. This will continually keep your device secure against new threats as they arise. Finally, remember to keep the antivirus updated. Updates are crucial as they contain new virus definitions and patches that will protect your device from the latest threats. A good antivirus is only as effective as its latest update, so enabling automatic updates in the settings is highly recommended. And there you have it. Surfshark Antivirus is now actively protecting your device. Feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any questions, or check out Surfshark's website and support channels for more detailed guides. Thanks for watching, and here's to safer browsing.